Hello guys, ayan o, may bago silang Christmas tree. May bago kaming Christmas tree. 6 feet siya. Jem, hello ka dyan. Ayan o, may bago silang Christmas tree. After 10 years. After 10 years, no? Ayan. Ayan. Hello guys. Yan. Malapit na yung Christmas. Ay, wow. Excited si Jem, oh. Hello, Jem. Hello, Bonita. Excited si Bonita, oh. Nasaan yung ibang ano niya? Sige, i-update namin kayo mamaya, guys, ha. Christmas on the hair. Is on her hair. Thank you, guys. Ayan na, guys, yung Christmas tree, oh. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang lucky. Blue Christmas net. Nebe. Hello, Jem. Ayan, Christmas tree. Hello guys. Ayan.
Lang sa picture ya.
Hello guys, ayan Christmas tree namin. Ayan picture tayo.
Ay.